Drip versus MailerLite, which is more effective for email campaigns? That's the big question today. You've probably heard a lot about these two email marketing platforms, but which one really gets results? Stay tuned, because I'm about to break down their strengths and weaknesses so you can decide which one fits your email campaigns best. First, let's talk about Drip. It's often hailed as a powerful email marketing tool designed with e-commerce in mind. Its automation features are top-notch. You get to create complex workflows and automations to target specific customer behaviors. For example, if someone adds a product to their cart but doesn't check out, Drip lets you send tailored follow-up emails that feel personalized. But that's the thing, it's amazing for e-commerce, but if you're not running an online store, the platform might feel overkill. The interface isn't as intuitive as some of the other players out there, and the price point can be pretty steep, especially if you're just starting out. Now, MailerLite is much more accessible, especially if you're new to email marketing. It's a budget-friendly option with a very user-friendly interface. One of the standout features of MailerLite is its simplicity. It doesn't require a steep learning curve. You can create sleek email templates, automate campaigns, and even manage subscribers with ease. But don't be fooled by its simplicity, because MailerLite offers pretty powerful features for the price. It's a solid option for people who need something that's both affordable and functional, especially for small businesses and bloggers. However, MailerLite's automation features aren't as robust as Drip's, so you may not get the deep segmentation options you're looking for if your business scales. Next thing, pricing. This is a big factor when choosing between Drip and MailerLite. Drip is definitely on the expensive side, with pricing plans starting at $19 per month. For what you get, it's not bad, but it's definitely not the most cost-effective choice for smaller businesses. On the other hand, MailerLite gives you a lot more bang for your buck. The free plan covers up to 1,000 subscribers, which is perfect if you're just starting out. After that, their paid plans are quite affordable, making it a great choice if you're trying to save some money while still getting a solid email campaign tool. The fourth thing to consider is deliverability. After all, no matter how good your campaigns are, they're useless if your emails don't actually reach inboxes. Drip has a pretty good reputation here. It consistently ranks high in terms of deliverability, meaning your emails are more likely to get opened. MailerLite, while solid, tends to have a slightly lower deliverability rate than Drip. This isn't a deal breaker, but if email deliverability is a major concern for you, Drip might have a slight edge. Now, let's talk about customer support. This is a crucial factor when deciding between Drip and MailerLite. Drip offers great support through chat and email, and you can even schedule calls with the team. But one downside is that, as a premium service, the support can feel like it's reserved for those on higher tier plans. MailerLite, on the other hand, provides excellent customer support, but their response times can sometimes be slower, especially if you're on the lower tier plans. Now, while both of these tools are great in their own right, if you're looking for an all-around better solution for email marketing campaigns, there's a better option out there. I've tried all of these platforms myself, and after really diving into the features, I found that Insert Better Alternative gives you the best combination of affordability, automation, deliverability, and customer support. If you're serious about taking your email marketing to the next level, I'd highly recommend checking it out. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive free trial that's only available to our viewers, and you'll get a ton of extra benefits you won't find anywhere else. So, while Drip and MailerLite both have their merits, if you want a better alternative to hit your email marketing goals, don't miss out on that link below.